In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI tools inside the page builder, live and in action. If you've ever looked at a beautifully designed course page and thought, I have no idea where to start, don't worry. You're not alone. That's exactly where the AI assistant comes in. Just tell it what you're trying to create and boom, it gets to work for you. Whether you want to build one section, a few parts, or even a full layout, this tool has your back. Inside the page builder, there are 15 sections. And anytime you see a text editor, look out for the little AI star icon. Click that and you can either improve what you've written or have the AI suggest something completely new. Need images? No problem, you've got buttons that generate visuals right inside each section. And yes, it even works on the design screen. So you can easily create background images too. Now here's a cool part, you can even generate entire sections with the AI. Just note, it won't add a background image or color automatically. That part's still yours to customize. Let's walk through a quick demo. First up, the page header. Click Generate with AI, then describe what you want. The more specific you are, the better the results. Once you hit Generate, give it a second, and there it is. Your page header's done, title, a subtitle, media, everything. Take a moment to read through it. Don't like something? Use the star button to tweak it. Want a different image? Regenerate that too. Once you're happy, hop over to the Design tab, pick your background color or image, and save it. Now let's check out another section, FAQs. Here, just tell the AI how many questions you want, and it'll generate a list of FAQs based on your course theme. Go through them, adjust anything you like, style the background, and hit save. And that's the magic of it. These AI tools are designed to help you build professional-looking pages, even if you've got zero design experience. It's like having a creative assistant sitting right next to you, helping with ideas, polishing your content, and speeding everything up. Oh, and don't forget, the AI Improve button is available in every section, even on the page settings screen. Plus, there's the image generator for your in-section visuals and backgrounds. All right, that's it for this demo. Go ahead and try it out, and I'll see you in the next video.